Good morning, students. Today in Commerce, we are going to discuss about chapter 18. See, the before assessment test I have completed till chapter 17. That means the rights and the duties of consumers. Now, again, this will be the continuing of the consumerism only, but this is a different chapter. So, we call it as grievance redressal mechanism. See, the government has taken so many steps to save the general public, that means the consumers. So, it is a main reason to appoint a specific chamber in order to prevent or to take necessary steps to save our consumers. So, that's why it is called as redressive aggressive committee. So there are the commission has been set up under the heads. So we call it as a consumer council. So the picture where I am showing this is called as three-tier court. So one is a national level where we can get more than 1 crore. The second one is a state commission. We can get a compensation from 20 lakhs to 1 crore. Then it is related with a district wise, we can get 20 lakhs. So these are the compensation which under the consumer council has been framed and fixed. So now first one is the district forum. So what do you mean by the district forum? So district forum means it has been started in almost all the district. That means a person who has been appointed as a district judge, a president, then followed by two other members who's having a knowledge of experience, capacity, solving the problems related to commerce, accounts, public affairs and administration. And there comes under section 228 of the Indian Penal Code, and the forum can be deemed to the civil court. And here, if there is any compensation based on any complaint exceeds to the limit of rupees 20 lakhs. Okay, are you all understood about the first one, district forum? Now second one, we are going to state. It is called a state commission. So consumer disputes. Disputes means problem. So here also we have a person who has been a judge of an high court appointed by the state government as a president. Then followed by two other members. They are having their capacity in economics, law, commerce, industry and public affairs. Then here we can get a compensation of 20 lakhs and less than 1 crore. But the following powers of the state commission are: the state commission has a power to call for almost all the record in any consumer dispute which is pending or decided by any district forum. Then they examined by an officer of any of the agency books of accounts, documents which may be required. Then to furnish all the information, they required the purpose of the act to the officer also. And the National Commission within the 30 days from the date of such order. Now next we are going to the National Consumer Disputes Redressal. So NCDRC, I repeat, National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. So this commission should have 5 members, one from the judiciary, the other 4 members ability, knowledge, experience from other field. It comes under section 21 of the Consumer Protection Act. Then here we can get a compensation of 1 crore also. A prior service of copies of documents to be produced by one party. A speedy of the copies of documents are issued by National Commission. So these are the three level of commission which has been set up by the government. Now next we are going Voluntary Organization for Consumer Awareness, VCO. Voluntary Organization for Consumer Awareness. How to create our consumer awareness? So there are 5 objectives. The important first one is the department takes various necessary steps to strengthen this council. A wide network is doing their work to raise the awareness of the consumers, to provide counseling, protection, guidance, and meditation services also. And they are supporting the projects, testing of the projects, and to find the dissemination of the findings also. And the steps what are has been taken, transparency, the government's interface with its citizen. The next one is how to give this awareness. So the awareness generally can be given by brochures, by advertisement, by journal, by conducting any seminar, or by conducting workshop, or through some special education and all. So these are the various ways to give an awareness. Now slowly next we are going, who can give a complaint? Anybody, any consumer. If he is not satisfied, he can find a defect means immediately he can write it in a plain paper and then file a case. Loss or any damage is caused to the consumer due to unfair trade. The services availed by the consumer suffer from any deficiency. The goods which will cause hazardous to life and safety. So these are the reasons when the complaints can be made. Next one is how to register this. A complaint can be registered within 2 years from the date. A stamp paper is not required for the declaration. Advocates are not necessary. Then what are the relief of the consumers? To remove the defect, to replace the goods, to return the complaint, to pay such an amount of compensation in case of any loss or injury suffered by the consumer, to discontinue the unfair trade practices, to provide the cost of expenditure incurred by the client. So these are the particulars, details, that means relief to the consumers, those who have filed a case. So that's all about the Grievance Redressal Commission. So again, I am recapitulating. There are 3 committees, then followed by a voluntary camp has been organized to provide an awareness to the consumers. Then how do we file a case? That means to give a complaint. Then what are the relief of the consumers and all. Thank you students. Again, I will be continuing in the next class.